Hello makeup lover, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. Now for today I pulled out my new Natasha Denona palette. It's a mini and it comes with a brush. And if you want to see how I got this look, then hang in tight and I will show you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's get going and do some makeup. I'm going to start by showing you the palette. 5 colors in this one, and it's Mini Metropolis. It comes with a small brush. I am gonna intend to see if I can make a whole look with this brush and fingers alone. I'm gonna start with honey, like mustard kind of color, and I'm gonna use that as a transition shade. I have no idea. Oh wow, it's quite pigmented, so I'm gonna try and blend it out a little bit. I don't want my look to be completely yellow, you know. Same brush that came with the kit and same color. I don't know if I'm gonna regret this, but I'm gonna try and put it under my lash line here on the lower eyelid. And mixing it into the color, same color on the upper part here, just to make them connect and look to be cohesive. So I'm gonna deepen it up with the brown color and put it in my crease. Just going back and forth here, windshield wiper motions, and blending it into the mustardy color here. I'm just using the tip of the brush more or less. It's a small brush, but I'm trying to hold it like on the outer part here to make the application very light. Now let's see if I can pinch it like I do with my other brushes and make that work. And put it on the lower lash line here. Yeah, it kind of works. It kind of works. And working on it again on top here. Dipped into the Jubilee, the green color, and I'm gonna put it on with my ring finger on the outer part and on the inner part of my mobile eyelid here. Just pressing it on. On the middle of my eyelid, I'm gonna use the golden coppery shade, the Blaze. And I'm gonna dip it on with my finger, mixing it into the green. I had a bit of a fallout with the green one, even though I used my fingers and tried to just press it on. I'm gonna take the green one and I'm gonna make a liner under the eyes, and for that I don't want to use the brush that goes with it, but I'm going to use the Refer number 3 instead. I'm going to pull the coppery golden shade a little bit higher into the matte colors here. It might look a little bit crazy right now, but trust the process. I'm gonna put on a black liquid eyeliner. Here you see the look with a bit of mascara on, and there is not in this palette a color that you can really use as a highlighter on the inner corner or under the brow bone. There is a light color, but I think it's gonna be a little bit too dark. Since it is the only light color we have, I'm gonna use it anyway, and I'm gonna put it on my brow bone, and nah, not really visible. I'm gonna put on some false lashes and come back. And by the way, I'm gonna clean this mess under my eye up with some concealer. And here we have the final look with some lashes on. I'm gonna zoom you out so you can see the full face. This is it. This is what it looks like with a full face of makeup. On my cheeks, I put on some Divine Blush from Pat McGrath. It's in the color Nymphette. And on top of that, I put on a little bit of highlighter, the Fine Gold 003 from the highlighting trio. On my lips, I got some Opulust in the color Dreamscape, also from Pat McGrath. And I have mixed emotions about this palette, I might say. I think it turned out okay, but there was a lot of fallout. So if you're gonna use it, please do your eyes first, or put some powder under them eyes so you can brush it off easily. Now I'm gonna put on my glasses so you can see what it looks like with glasses on. This is it. So for now, I wanna thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, if you have any comments or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And if you like videos like these, please subscribe to my channel. Now, I hope you will have an awesome day. Bye. Mwah.